Hey, this is the Meerkat here with Grok Trade, and I'm here today to show you a quick trade that we saw in the Grok day trading chat room this morning. It was on VIPS. Here we are right at opening, but it was starting to form what we call a high base here just before the opening bell. And if it broke above this 1025 area, I wanted to be long. So I set an order there, ready to go, and boom, there it did. It popped all the way up to the 200 moving average right up here. That's also, we call it Big Red. And I am no long at $10.26 on VIPS. So let's take this and this line here, we're going to call this will be our stop here. And I'm going to put it right here below that, what was that resistance area. And so I'm in at 1017, just a little bit less than 1% on the stop. And let's see what happened after that. Boom, boom, boom. It just broke up. Boom, it broke up here above that 200 moving average. Now high basing above it at 1040. So I'm bringing my stop here in the money, just in the money here at 1032 is where I'm going to put my stop. 1031 right there below this support of that 200 moving average Big Red. Let's see where we go from there. Boom, boom, boom. It kept riding up. It just tagged this yellow line, which is the pivot line. That's the pivot line, which is just for intraday trading only, the pivot lines. And that on this lesson here. And then we could pull back and boom, popped out up here up to 1070 now. So I'm bringing my stop up just under this pivot line here now, locking in a lot of potential profit here. And let's see where we go from there. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's up here to the 1080. It's hitting that resistance and extended way out here above that area. And look how far away it is from that 8 EMA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lock in half here of my trade at $10.80 for 5.2% on the first half. Hoo-ah, that's good. And then we're going to move our stop up here to about just around 1068, just below this 1070 area here. As a possible support area if it does decide to snap back here. Let's see what happened next. And then bam, look at that, man. It did a base there at 1080 for a little while and then just smashed on down to like over 2.5%, but did get me out at 1068 on the second half for 4% on that second half. So let's take a look at this whole trade here. We had a high base, a little bit sloppy. It broke out and then it continued to run up here. I didn't pull back at all. And then when it was starting to base up here at 1080, I took out half and then it snapped right back below the 8 EMA and took me out. This total trade then was for 4.6% in just 11 minutes. Whoo, doggies. So how would you like to build wealth as a trader without putting all your money at risk? We're going to have a webinar tonight, and it's free. That's right, Thursday the 17th here at 8:30 Eastern Time. If you'd like to register, just this link right here, or down below. I do have that link listed below the video as well. We have a discussion about what are the key principles about being able to build wealth as a trader without putting all your money at risk, and what are some possible solutions to that. That's tonight, Thursday, and if you can't be there this evening at that designated time, that's fine. Register and we will send you a link to the video of that free webinar. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that it's all about cutting your losers short and letting your winners run. Trade well.